Hello, I'm Hannah Wallace and welcome to Finextra TV. We're here in The Hague for the Temenos Community Forum 2019, the theme of which is Digital Banking Reloaded. Joining me now in the studio is the Global Head of Financial Services, Solutions and Partners for Amazon Web Services, Nitin Gupta. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
So to start off then, how are financial services companies transforming on AWS, and could you give us some use cases?
Absolutely. So what we're seeing right now more and more, it's not a question of if or when you want to move to the cloud, but more and more the financial services institutions are asking, how do I move to the cloud? And today, there are thousands of financial services companies that are innovating and transforming themselves on Amazon Web Services. And there is no kind of one answer in terms of what they're doing on the cloud. Every company is trying to transform themselves, and there are different ways they are doing that. A lot of time companies get started on AWS with their risk grid applications. So Aon Benfield, who's a large reinsurer, they cut down their reinsurance process, their actuarial process from 10 days to 10 minutes for 5 million of their policyholders. On the capital market side, Bloomberg, who's a leading market data provider, just made their real-time market data feed available on AWS. Then moving from data analytics to customer experience, there are a lot of ways where banks and financial institutions are leveraging all the data that is available to them and driving rich insights from that data to deliver better customer experiences. You know, customers across the globe are asking Alexa, can I pay this bill? What is my account balance? Or asking Fidelity Investments, can I make a stock trade? So a lot that is happening on the customer experience side. And last but not least, for companies, some institutions are actually beginning to modernize their core. So core banking, which is, as you know, the heart of any institution, they're now taking that core and putting that on the cloud. Again, because it's the center of the digital universe, but the core banking needs to be modernized. Newton, which is the ABN AMRO lending spinoff, has a fully digital loan application and approval process where the customer gets the decision within 15 minutes and money in their account within 2 days of application. Think about that impact that it delivers for ABN AMRO's customers. Similarly, Openbank, which is a subsidiary of Santander, has its digital mobile and web assets available on AWS.
All right, and how can large banks accelerate their cloud journey? And what support does AWS and AWS partners provide?
Absolutely. So moving to the cloud, it's a pretty significant decision for any organization. And what we have seen, it's less about the technology, but all the surrounding process and operations that go with it. And it's not just about the technology, but then you have to change all the surrounding processes, your product development, your product strategy, your processes to keep up with all the agility that now is provided by the cloud foundation that your technology is resting on. As companies begin this transformation journey, they need to make sure they're thinking about all the controls, the governance structure, security, compliance, and all the frameworks that are necessary for them to be successful in this journey. And AWS recognizes it, and we are investing very heavily to make our customers successful. So we have a dedicated sales team, we have professional services, we have solution architects, we have marketing, we have our partner network, both technology providers, companies like Temenos, who are putting their core assets, including their Temenos T24 Transact and Temenos Infinity platform on AWS, but also consulting providers, companies like Deloitte, Accenture, Capgemini, Cognizant, that have built specific offerings and solutions to make these organizations and financial services institutions successful on the cloud.
Mm-hmm. Some really exciting developments to look forward to then. Watch this space. Nitin, this has been a pleasure. Thank you very much.
Great, thank you.
And thank you for watching.